Introduction to Remote Time Management.
Remote tech jobs offer flexibility, but without good time management, productivity can suffer. Mastering time management helps you deliver high-quality work while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. In this guide, discover practical strategies that make remote work in tech both efficient and rewarding.
Set clear goals and priorities.
Each day, set specific goals and prioritize your tasks. Use tools like to-do lists or digital planners to break projects into smaller, manageable steps. Clear priorities help you focus on what matters most, reduce overwhelm, and ensure steady progress in your tech projects.
Establish a routine and workspace.
Create a consistent daily routine and designated dedicated workspace. Routines help separate work hours from personal time, while a defined workspace minimizes distractions. Both boost concentration and signal to others that you're in work mode, even when working from home.
Minimize distractions and manage interruptions.
Identify common distractions like social media or household noise. Use techniques such as the Pomodoro method, working for focused intervals with planned breaks, and set boundaries with housemates or family. Turning off unnecessary notifications also helps you stay on track with your remote tech tasks.
Leverage technology for productivity.
Take advantage of productivity tools tailored for remote tech work. Calendar apps, task managers, and communication platforms streamline workflows and foster accountability. Automation tools can handle routine tasks, freeing up your time for more complex problem-solving and learning new skills.
Practice self-care and reflect regularly.
Stay productive and prevent burnout by prioritizing self-care. Take breaks, exercise, and get enough rest. Regularly review your workflow and time management strategies to identify what's working and where you can improve. Adjust your approach as needed to maintain both performance and well-being.